Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play shell shockers with a controller. First, connect your favorite game controller to your computer. You can use a USB cable for a wired connection or Bluetooth for a wireless setup. Make sure your computer recognizes the controller before you even open the game. This initial step is crucial for a smooth experience, ensuring your device is ready to go. Once connected, you are one step closer to controller-based explosions. Next, launch shell shockers and head straight into the game's settings menu. Look for the Controls or Input section, which is usually where you can change how you play. Here, you'll want to select Controller as your main input device. Sometimes, the game might automatically detect it, but it's always good to double-check. This ensures the game is listening for your controller inputs, not just your keyboard and mouse. Now for the fun part, customizing your controls. Map your essential actions like moving, shooting, and jumping to buttons that feel natural and comfortable for you. Don't forget secondary actions, such as reloading and switching weapons. Assign them to easily accessible inputs. Take some time to test your new layout in a private match. This allows you to fine-tune everything, ensuring every button press feels just right for your playstyle. Finally, it's time to practice and dominate. Spend some time in different game modes to really get a feel for your controller setup. Experiment with various controller sensitivities to discover what works best for your aiming precision. Many controllers also offer rumble features, which can add an extra layer of immersion to your gameplay. With a little practice, you'll be cracking eggs with your controller like a seasoned pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.